Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Brinkley. It's a Model I 265. We'll get inside. Very, very nice inside. And Brinkley has, in my opinion, really raised their game even higher. They raised their game when they first came out, and in my opinion, most every other RV manufacturer followed. There's the Model I badging. And they have subsequently raised their game again. I will show you the single slide on the off-camp side, and then we'll get inside. Really a nice interior. Now, I shot this one the other day. It is a bunkhouse. Here is the new handle, or the door opening, and I really like it. I mean, you can literally open it with one finger. There's the 265 badging. As we step up inside, all of your power controls, your stereo right here. Close that down and it's nice and clean. Very nice shower. And I love the accent lighting that they have. You can just have the accent lighting on, and the same way with this mirror at night. Very nice deep drawers. Then you have a deep cubby, two cubbies there, cabinet below, and then this is a very spacious cabinet. Window that does operate, your light switches. I like these hooks here. And then also, if you check out, you've got grooves. I'll get a close up. That way you can have hangers on there and they don't all just slide to the back or to the front. Theater seating. Why would you have theater seating? I don't see a TV. Oh, wait. Check it out. Projector screen, and that projects right up. You can close that screen down, covering up that window, and project the TV right there. And here's a representation. I'll show you the bedroom in a moment. Fireplace, freezer on the bottom, refrigerator on the top, and then really nice pantry. So you have a drawer, two shelves, and then below you have a drawer. I wouldn't really call it a shelf, but you place to store. And speaking of cabinets, I do like this corner cabinet, and you can straighten that out or close it this way. Very clever in my opinion, so you don't have dead space. Brinkley has hit another one out of the park. So you have your garbage can, and then you have your garbage bags right here, and then your paper towel dispenser. You can put whatnot and a little bit of more whatnot. So 2 times the whatnot that you have in other campers, you can put right there. Little bitty great place to put your rings or phone or whatever out of the way. A drying rack. I already showed you that cabinet. We have an additional cabinet, and I might as well show, since I'm showing you cabinets and drawers, I might as well show you that. Exhaust fan right above the 3-burner cooktop with a nice aluminum grate, and I think that's great. And then also a microwave oven. And I mentioned below bed storage, and check that out. So it drops down, man, I would say it drops down another foot or so, and you got shelves, and it is very nice storage. That's the comforter for the bed. You also have your hooks here for hang up clothes. We have cabinets above the bed, and speaking of cabinets, we have 2 cabinets here with additional places to hang up your clothes. You have your window right there, and then you have a bank of 4 drawers, 3 hooks, plug in for your flat screen TV if you want to hang it up right there, HVAC vent. So if this is your bedroom, it's going to be nice and cool. So again, the 2026 Brinkley Model I, it's the 265, and I can just visualize myself sitting right here. I can either look at the great outdoors, or put a movie on. Thanks again for watching. Comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. I don't know that I mentioned it. This is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thank you again.